Shocking water conservation hacks. You won't believe how much money you'll save. Water is a precious resource that we often take for granted. With all the daily activities that require water, such as bathing, cooking, and cleaning, it's easy to overlook how quickly our water bills can add up. But fear not. We've compiled a list of shocking water conservation hacks that will not only help you save money but also contribute to a more sustainable planet. 1. Shorter showers, bigger savings. Did you know that by reducing your shower time by just 5 minutes, you could save up to 1,000 gallons of water each year? That's a substantial amount that could make a significant impact on both your wallet and the environment. Consider setting a timer or listening to a favorite song to keep your showers shorter and more efficient. 2. Ditch the drips. Leaky faucets may seem insignificant, but they waste gallons of water over time. That annoying drip may not only keep you up at night but can also empty your pockets. Fix those faucets promptly to avoid unnecessary water wastage. 3. Efficient toilets. Traditional toilets can use up to 7 gallons of water per flush, which is excessive. Upgrading to a low-flow toilet or using a water displacement device in your tank can reduce water consumption by up to 50%. Not only will you be conserving water, but you'll see significant savings on your water bill. 4. Don't neglect the garden. Maintaining a beautiful garden doesn't have to be water-intensive. Install a drip irrigation system to water your plants directly at the roots, reducing evaporation and ensuring efficient water usage. Additionally, watering your garden during cooler hours, such as early morning or late evening, minimizes water loss due to evaporation. 5. Harvest rainwater. Installing a rainwater harvesting system can be a game changer for both your water bill and the environment. Collect rainwater from gutters and downspouts to use for gardening, washing cars, or even flushing toilets. It's a simple yet effective way to make use of free and abundant water. These shocking water conservation hacks will not only help you save money but will also create a positive impact on the environment. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will keep you updated with more sustainable living tips and tricks that can contribute to a greener future. Thanks for watching, and happy water saving!